Welcome back, my home cooks and chef. Today we're gonna be doing some more black soul food dishes, you guys. We're gonna be celebrating, Black Heritage Month all month long. With my famous soul food dishes from my family, what I like to put together and things, very simple and easy for you guys. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hey, you guys, don't forget to thumbs up this video. It really helps out the channel. If you're not new, welcome on back. And don't forget, you guys, to comment in the video, you guys. It really helps out if you comment in the video, comment in the chat and stuff like that. And also too, don't forget to post up, what you cooked on my Facebook page, the Urban Culture Kitchen and Food Feeds the Soul, you guys. So all right, let's get into this smothered pork chops. So I'm gonna show you, I got a tip for you guys on how to soften up your onions in a very fast way. So I'll see you in the video. All right, you guys, so these are the ingredients we're going to be making this smothered pork chop. Now, I already fried the pork chop, so that's, we're going to skip ahead of that one and stuff like that, because, everybody know how to fry up some stuff. If you don't, check out my other videos. But this one, I'm going to show you how to make some gravy. We're going to be smothering these pork chops in. So this is going to be a gravy, video. And what I have is I have this brown gravy. It's pretty good, really self-explanatory. You can get it from any store, your local store, stuff like that. This is pretty easy. So, each cup of water is 3 teaspoons. So we're gonna be doing 2 cups of water in this one, so that means it's gonna be 6 teaspoons. So first we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to saute down these onions so it doesn't take that long, because gravy really, once you make it, it starts, cooking up very quick. So I'm gonna show you my tip on how to saute your onions down without burning them too at the same time. So what we're gonna do is start it up, put it on medium high, put your temperature on medium high. Which the next thing you want to do is you're not gonna add oil. Normally, when I'm actually sauteing onions, I add oil, but I'm gonna show you a little trick. So once the temperature comes to get hot, your pot, just add in your onions. So okay, you like, well, where do you go from here? All right, next you want to do is add in, some garlic. So just probably a tablespoon of garlic, not that much, probably 3 or 4 tablespoons of garlic, mix that around. All right, you guys. So I'm about to show you, how, to actually make these render down a little bit faster. What you're gonna do is get about a half a cup of water, you guys, a half a cup of water, and you're gonna add it to the bottom of your pan. And this is gonna help, advance your onions and saute them down a lot. Make them soft, pretty much. That's what you're doing. You're not really trying to saute them. You're just trying to make them soft enough so when you add in your gravy, they're gonna get real, real tender. So that's what we're gonna do. So put it on high, let it boil around. Make sure you mix all your ingredients in. And don't worry about it. You're not gonna be burning it. This is one way to not burn your onions, you guys. So just mix everything around and let it, let it come to a boil. That's why I put it on high, and then we're gonna turn it down. So once it comes to a boil, we're gonna get to the next part. All right. So what you want to do is let it come to a boil, as you see, and you see it's already getting soft. So it might take probably a good 5-10 minutes, but let it, continue to get soft. And then we're gonna start adding in, your seasoning. So what I'm gonna do first is add in the 6 teaspoons of the brown gravy, and what I do will add in is to enhance the flavor. I added another teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon, and just sprinkle it over. Make sure you incorporate it, get everything in. Next, you want to just make sure you mix everything in. With no lumps, but I mean it's not gonna, after what it boils down, it's not gonna be no lumpy or nothing. So just mix it around and stuff like that. Let it continue to keep cooking down before you add in the gravy. Add in the 2 cups of water. Now it's not gonna make any difference. I know we had a half a cup already in there, but we're still gonna add in the 2 cups of water. Because once it starts rendering down, you're gonna actually, it's gonna start thickening up. So make sure everything is in there. And what we're gonna do is It's already starting to thicken up and ain't even got the rest of the water in there. But anyway, celebrating Black History Month, smothered chicken, smothered fried chicken, smothered, you know, pork chops, anything smothered, what I'm saying, was a big staple in a lot of black households. So, what I'm saying, it was, one dish that went a long way, like I said, and fed a lot of people, and normally this was put over some rice, served with some mashed potatoes, whatever, what I'm saying, that, what I'm saying, made the dish go a long way. So now you want to add in your 2 cups of water. So just add it all in, what I'm saying, and let it come to a boil. That's what you want to do. You want to let it come to a boil. Make sure you mix everything in. Now you see how soft it is, right? What I'm saying? That's what we wanted with the onions. So, once it continues to cook, what I'm saying, and once it continues to cook, it's gonna start wilt, saying, getting soft. I was about to say wilter down, but tongue twister for me. So yeah, just stir it in. What I'm saying? Like I said, let it come to a boil, and make sure you don't have lumpy gravy. You know, Let me know if you tried this. Yourself at home. We're gonna let it come to a boil. Normally, when you're doing gravy, you let it come to a boil, high heat, and then you put the top on it and simmer it, and so it can slowly cook. You don't want it to cook too fast. All right, you guys. So we're gonna have this come to a boil, and then we're gonna get ready to simmer it after it's done, and then we're gonna add in our pork chops. All right, you guys. So now that it came to a boil, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add in our pork chops into the gravy. So while it's, saying the gravy is rendering down, the pork chops is actually saying cooking along with it. They're fully cooked. I'm just saying, but you want to actually have that in there, to get that gravy flavor. You just put it in there, fully submerge it, and just let it, keep going. You see, it was already bubbling, So what we're gonna do is let it render on down, until it's fully, thickened. All right, you guys. So I'm gonna get ready to finish this on up. Let it come to a boil, and it's already came to a boil. We're gonna simmer it right now. So just put it on low or medium low, and let it, simmer down until it's thickened, to your liking. All right, you guys. So I'll show you when it's actually finished and done. You guys, so it is thickened up, you guys, to my liking. The gravy over the pork chops, you guys. So let me show you how the onions came out really melty and caramelized. That's what I did like. So you see the little trick, what I'm saying? Just add a little water. See how the pork chop came out great. Looks pretty good, you guys. I think it's ready to serve up with some rice, you guys. But so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I wanted to make, show you how to, soften up your onions. Very simple, easy way with your gravy before you make your gravy. Because a lot of people just, try to saute it down. Sometimes it burns, this and that, have a little char flavor. But I wanted to do this, and this is my, contribute to Black Heritage Month, you guys. Hope you guys been enjoying all these wonderful dishes that I've been posting up about Black Heritage and soul food dishes that we've been hooking up. I'm really, been having like flashbacks of all the little dishes that my mom and my dad would put together. My grandparents, uncles, and grandfathers, stuff like that. It's just a joy to do it, and I watch all this stuff. This is not something you learn in school. This is something you learn in the kitchen at home by your parents. You know what I'm saying? So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have been enjoying all the dishes all month long. I have more to come out with. And, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, you guys. And thank you for all those been hanging in there. I really appreciate you guys, and, share it out, to everybody, to those that don't know about me, let them know, And also, too, don't forget to go over and post your dishes in my, the Urban Culture Kitchen Food Feeds the Soul, page on Facebook. I really appreciate it. I see all you guys in there, thumbs up in and talking about different things that I'm doing in there, and I really appreciate that too. And, for those that, posting your videos or photos of your dishes, I will be, grabbing you guys and putting you guys in my community page on YouTube. So don't forget, post it up on YouTube. Post it up on Facebook, and, I'm gonna check you guys out, and I will, be, uploading you guys up to YouTube, just to thank you guys. And we're headed on the road to 20K, as they say today, 20K. So, you know what I'm saying, we hitting there, you know, we're gonna have a huge giveaway when we hit that 20K. So help me, you know what I'm saying, with that, you guys, by commenting below. If y'all comment, it helps out the channel. If y'all thumbs up, everybody thumbs up. Believe me, everybody, you know what I'm saying, you, thumbs up and comment. Just leave a little comment in below. You know what I'm saying? Just saying thanks, yummy. You know what I'm saying? This is great. I tried it out. I really appreciate it. And you know, I wanted to give a shout out to Poor White Trash. You know what I'm saying? You know who you are. Uh, uh, I really appreciate you. You've been coming in, you know what I'm saying, faithfully. But, you know, so I'm going to give shout outs to everybody. But, you know what I'm saying, this person just been, you know what I'm saying, hanging in there and enjoying my videos and going through them and commenting on them and stuff like that. And I really thank you. Also, too, Karen, you know what I'm saying, you know who you are. You know, we got to get on a cruise together with you. You know what I'm saying, shout out to you as well. You know, for all those haters out there, you know what I'm saying, don't care. Thank you for commenting as well, because I appreciate you too, because I do see your hater comments. But hey, you know, if you couldn't be doing what you wouldn't be doing well if you didn't have haters on your channel. So, but thank you guys for, you know, supporting the Black Heritage Month. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna have more soul food dishes coming, and I'll see you guys in the next one.